Can ketone bodies cross the blood-brain barrier? Have you ever wondered how our brains get the energy they need, especially when glucose is in short supply? This brings us to the fascinating topic of ketone bodies and their ability to cross the blood-brain barrier. Yes, ketone bodies can indeed cross this barrier, and it all happens through specialized transport proteins known as monocarboxylate transporters. These transporters play a key role in moving ketone bodies from the bloodstream into the brain. There are different types of monocarboxylate transporters involved in this process. For instance, monocarboxylate transporter 1 is located on the endothelial cells of the blood-brain barrier and on astrocytes, which are support cells in the brain. On the other hand, neurons primarily express monocarboxylate transporter 2, which has a stronger affinity for ketone bodies like beta-hydroxybutyrate. This setup allows neurons to effectively take up ketone bodies and use them for energy. Interestingly, the transport of ketone bodies is influenced by their concentration in the blood rather than neuronal activity, which is how glucose transport works. When someone is fasting or following a ketogenic diet, the levels of ketones in the blood increase. This rise leads to an upregulation of monocarboxylate transporters, enhancing the brain's ability to utilize ketones for energy. During ketosis, ketone bodies can provide as much as 60% of the brain's energy needs, making them an essential fuel source when glucose is limited. Now, let's connect this to the ketogenic diet. By limiting carbohydrate intake and increasing fat consumption, the body produces ketone bodies in the liver through the breakdown of fats. These ketones then cross the blood-brain barrier via the monocarboxylate transporters to power brain cells. This process supports cognitive function and neurological health, especially when glucose metabolism is not optimal. This mechanism is particularly important for understanding why ketogenic diets are being researched for their potential benefits in various neurological conditions. The ability of ketone bodies to cross the blood-brain barrier and serve as an alternative energy source is a key factor in their effectiveness. So, the next time you think about the ketogenic diet, remember that ketone bodies are not just a fuel source. They are a vital part of how our brains can thrive even when traditional energy sources are scarce.